Navigating the maze. Participle prepositions in English. Hello learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English grammar: participle prepositions. This might sound complex, but fear not. We'll simplify it and you'll be using participle prepositions like a pro in no time. Participle prepositions are a specific type of prepositions that end in ing or ed. They are called so because they resemble present and past participles. Let's start with some examples: during, considering, regarding, including, excluding, and so on. As we use these words to connect ideas, they help us build more complex, interesting sentences. Here's an example of how they work. Example: I will be out during the afternoon. The participle preposition, during, connects the time, the afternoon, with the rest of the sentence. To use participle prepositions correctly, you need to know that they are usually followed by a noun or pronoun. This noun or pronoun is the object of the preposition and answers the questions, what, or whom. For example, in the sentence, she received a promotion considering her hard work, the word considering is the participle preposition and her hard work is the object of the preposition. Remember, just because a word ends in ing or ed doesn't always mean it's a participle preposition. Context is key. Common errors with participle prepositions often occur when they're confused with gerunds or participle verbs. Let's clarify this. A gerund is a verb form that ends in ing and acts as a noun. For example, running is fun. Here, running is a gerund, not a preposition. A participle verb is also a verb form ending in ing or ed and used with auxiliary verbs to indicate tense. For example, she is running a marathon. Here, running is a present participle verb, not a preposition. Remember, a preposition connects a noun or pronoun to the rest of the sentence. Keep this in mind to avoid confusion. So there you have it, the wonderful world of participle prepositions. While they can be tricky at first, with practice and attention to how they're used in sentences, you'll master them in no time. Keep practicing and remember, language learning is a journey, so enjoy the ride. See you in our next lesson.